first thing I'm going to be doing is to measure the length. So to the length, I added extra 10 inches. Then also I measured 5 inches first so that I can start my measurement from this blue line. So the measurement starts from this line to the front. The 10 inches I added, 5 inches at the top, then 5 inches at the base. From the 5 inches at the top, we are still going to fold in 2 inches. And the remaining measurement, that's the remaining 5 inches to the base. Now my measurement is going to start from this point, this very point, so that I can take my crotch length, and to get the crotch length is going to be hip divided by 4 plus 1 inch, and that is 10 inches. Hip divided by 4 plus 1 inch. So this is my crotch length. Now all the measurements I'm going to be taking at this top is going to be the hip plus 4 divided by 4. Hip plus 4 divided by 4, which I'll be taking from this very edge. Hip plus 4 divided by 4, all the way down to the crotch point. Now on this crotch point, it's going to be hip plus 4 divided by 4 plus ease. Your ease could be 3.5 inches or even 2.5 inches depending on the size. So here is plus his measurement. Then from the crotch point, I'm going to take my upper thigh, which is like 2 or 3 inches below the crotch point. And here now it's going to be the upper thigh plus 2 divided by 2. Then from the upper thigh, you can get the distance between the upper thigh and the knee. The knee too is going to be plus 2 divided by 2. And remember, I added extra 5 inches to the base, so I'm just going to rule it out first. So now we are going to get the knee circumference plus 2 divided by 2. Then the ankle, you can measure the ankle and try to bring out your tape from the leg so that you can get the accurate measurement. So the ankle plus 2 divided by 2, then straight down. So I'm going to be connecting from here, from the upper thigh to the knee and to the ankle. Cut, start. So I'm going to be connecting like this. Also from the crotch point, I'm going to be connecting, taking it up like so. Right. So the next thing we're going to be doing is to take the waist measurements. Then to take the waist measurements, now we are going to be tracing this out. Now we are going to be taking the waist measurement, which is going to be backward. So the waist plus 4 divided by 4. All right. Then from that point, I'm going to get my 5 inches. Remember, I first measured 5 inches. So here is my 5 inches. Then I'm going to be connecting to the hip. You can as well get the distance between the waist and the hip to connect this. So I'm going to trace it out like this. Then on the upper thigh, we're going to come in by 0.5 inches, 0.5 inches, then straight down. So remember to add it back to the front part of your fabric. So now we are tracing out the waist measurement. The next thing I'm going to be doing is to come down. I'm going to slant the front, but I don't want to disrupt my pattern, so I'll be doing that on the fabric. I'll be taking 2.5 inches down at the front, so I'm going to slant. That's at the crotch point, the crotch area of our trouser. So I'm going to slant to the side, and I'll be cutting it out. To the back now, I've placed my pattern, but here I added extra 1.5 inches at the top, and at the crotch area I have extra 1 inch. So that's 1 inch continues to the upper thigh. Then from there I can connect back to my measurement. So from my 1.5 inches, that's at the crotch area, I am going to slant to the side. So the side still maintains its measurements. So from here, I'm going to trace out exactly what I have on my pattern. So the 0.5 inches we measured is what I'm trying to trace out from the base of our trouser, so that I can connect back. That's the 0.5. Then I'll connect back to the hip measurements. What I'm going to do now, I'm going to smoke each piece, and I'll come back to show us the end result. Now, as you can see, action. Now, as you can see, I've smoked each piece of my trouser. Now you can as well join the crotch part. This is the crotch, so you can as well join it first before you smoke, or you join each of it. So what I'm going to be doing now is to join here. I'm going to be joining it together. So as I have folded the edges here, this is the waist, and this is going to be the base of the trouser. So after joining this for the front, I'm also going to join that of the back, and after that I can just close up the sides. I have to stretch it, just join the sides straight down, and the other side as well, straight down like that. Then after joining the sides, I'm also going to place, I'll be placing the front on the back. So I'm just going to bring it in this manner. So that I'm going to start joining from here. I'll close it up to this point, then straight down to the other end, so that I can be done with my trouser. So I'm going to join it now, and I'll show you the end part of it. So don't forget So click the subscribe button. Also click the bell to get notified each time I upload a new video.